The max function will find the highest value in a cell in the range you selected. Just like other functions, put equal, max, and the range in parentheses. Press enter, and the cell you typed the formula in will display the highest value of a cell that the range had. In this case, it's 88. The min function does the opposite of the max function. It finds the minimum or smallest value in the range. Type equal, min, and put the range in parentheses. Press enter. The smallest value here is 9.75. An alternative method to typing in the formula is selecting the cell you want the formula to go in. I'm going to select this one. And press on Insert Functions in the Formula tab. Then choose the function you want to use and fill the information into the pop-out that appears. I'll show you some as an example. I press on it and press OK. Up here you can select ranges. I want to select this range and this range. I press on this first and select this range. Then press on this and select this range. You could select just one cell at a time, but that would take longer. You could also just hold Control and select both ranges at the same time, but you don't have to. You can select more than one range individually because the pop-out would keep adding more tabs for you. Before I added any ranges, there were only 2 tabs. Now there are 3. You don't have to fill them all in. You can see the values that Excel would add together right here. Press OK. The sum is 30. If you want to change the formula, press on the tab and go to the Insert Functions and change it from there. I want to display the total of the cells over here for every single row, but individually typing in the formula for each row would take lots of time. Let me show you an easier way. I type in the formula here, equals this times this, and press enter. The product of these 2 cells has appeared in here, and this is the total sales for apples. But I want to autofill the formula to all of these rows. To do that, I select the cell and click and drag this tiny square all the way down. Excel, as you can see, Excel didn't put the product of these 2 cells everywhere. It automatically applies something called relative referencing. Basically, Excel copied the formula over to the rest of the cells, but changed the referencing based on the relative position of the columns and rows.